Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you about some minimal color combination codes. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. I give a link in description, here you go and download original file for your logo color combination. Watch video till end. So friends, if you like a tutorial, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.